Good morning. Welcome to 123 Smart ID Card. Download the application 123 Smart ID from Play Store. Once you download the application, open the 123 Smart ID app. First you have to sign up and create a new account. For sign up, you have to enter any unique username, password, mobile number and email ID and accept the user agreement. After sign up, please enter your username and password. And then press login button. The next step, it will asking for IMEI number. Kindly enter the IMEI number or scan the IMEI code. Then in your account, the card will be added. Then the first page of the app with all features will be opened. When you press the below circle, it pop-ups and give you the real-time location of the card with date and amp time and give you the exact address with PIN code. On the top right, seconds are running in descending order 10, 9, 8, 7 up to 1. For every 10 seconds it's automatically refresh and tells you the exact location of the card. This battery level indicator is used to check the battery level of the ID card. And this option tells you the SIM signal or tower signal level of the ID card. When the press the box like symbol on the top left of the 123 Smart ID app, it can change from normal view of the map to satellite view. And when the press the phone like symbol, it tells you the location of your mobile phone in the application. And when you press the call like symbol, you can make call from the 123 Smart application to the ID card directly. To attend the call, the kid or employee press the SOS button, single click, so that they can talk as like a mobile phone. Two-way communication. For example, if the parents wants to talk to their kid, means the parents can use this option to talk to their kid. To add the SOS button, you have to go to device settings at the bottom of the app. The first option will be adding SOS number. In this option you can add 3 SOS number. When the kid or the user of the ID card long presses the SOS button for 1 second, the call will be connected to the first SOS number directly. For example, if the kid press the SOS button, the call will connect the mom directly. So that kid can talk with mom is like a mobile phone. Suppose if the first number is not attending the call, or not reachable, means call automatically moves to the second SOS number. If second number also not attending, means then the call automatically redial to the third number. It keeps on redialing until anyone has to attend the call. SOS will be the emergency call. SOS means save our soul. In the device settings, second option would be setting family numbers. In these option, 3 family numbers with name can be added in the box. In the side of the ID card, 3 small button will be available. When you press with the first button, the call will be connected to the first family numbers directly. Suppose if you press with the second small button, the call will be connected to the second family number that you have added will be connected. Likewise, the third button, call will be connected to the third family numbers. This is like a direct call you can make by pressing the side small button, whereas the SOS will be the emergency call. Third option in the device settings would be set up whitelist numbers. In these option you can add additional 15 name with numbers you can add in these option like your friends and relatives numbers. Only these number 15 numbers plus 3 numbers in the setting family numbers and plus 3 numbers in the SOS. Totally 21 numbers you can add in the device settings option. Only these 21 numbers added in the 123 Smart ID application can make call to the ID card. Others cannot make call to your ID card. If others call to that ID, means the call will not be get connected. The fourth option in the device settings will be class time settings. The option is mainly for the schools. We will create a separate username and password to each school, in which all the IMEI numbers will be added in that school account. Suppose if there are 1000 students, means all the 1000 students ID card will be added in that school account. The school will set this call time settings. Suppose if the school set the time from 9 am to 1 pm and then from 2 pm to 4 pm. Means, during this timings, there will not be any incoming or outgoing calls to that ID card. These option is mainly not to disturb the class. We can set period wise or school time wise. That depends upon the school. We can set in weekdays, Saturday and Sunday also. Fifth option in the device settings would be ringtone settings. In these settings you can change the ID card ringtone. There are 10 different ringtones available. You can select the one you want. Sixth option in the device settings would be ringtone mode settings. In these option you can set the mode of the ringtone, either only ringtone or only vibration, or you can set both ringtone and vibration. The next feature will be history option. When you press this history option, it asks for start time and end time. You can set the start time year, month, date and time, and also the end time, year, month, date and time. Once you set this timings, just press with the confirm button. You will get the historical route traveled by the ID card. Our server stores the last 3 months data. You can start, pause, stop the history playback, and you can playback the history route in fast, slow, normal mode. In the history option you can find the exact time traveled by the kid or employee along with the speed will be displayed. The next feature will be geofence. Click the geofence at the bottom of the app. Click the plus sign in the top right side to add new geofence boundary. You can move the boundary anywhere in the world, and once you got your location, you can set that as a new geofence boundary. Once you got your location, you can change the radius of geofence from 200 meters to maximum radius is 5 kilometers. You can move the boundary anywhere, or you can search the location from search option to create the geofence. Pick up any name for your geofence area and select the ULRAM mode. You can set multiple geofence boundary and you can disable or enable by using the toggle button. Once the kid or user of the ID card entered into the boundary, the parents will get a notification that the kid entered into the school. If the kid comes out from the boundary mean, the parents will get a notification that the kid is out of school. Likewise, we set multiple geofence like school, college, company, home, tuition boundaries. Click function button on the bottom right of the application. This option is used to check the device related information. You can change the device profile photo, name and mobile number. And you will have the option like history and safe area. The history option gives you the 3 months historical data. Safe area is nothing but the geofence. You can set multiple boundaries. Then next option you have alarm information. In this alarm message you can only view the alarm notification related to that selected devices. The next option you have report option. In these option you can set the start time and end time, so that you will get a detailed travel report with date, time, address, how much kilometers traveled, everything you get it in a complete report. And these report you can download in PDF or Excel also. You can share in WhatsApp or you can take print out to check. Once you press with the report, single click, it will be connected to the Google Map and gives you the exact location at that time, where the ID card is. On the top right search symbol, it helps you to find whether the device is online, offline or inactive. In these you can find all the IMEI numbers with device name will be listed. To check the device is in online or not. If there is no network, or if the device is switched off mean, the device will be shown in offline. Next below we have a person-like symbol, which helps you to get the numbers of cards in your account. Suppose if you added 100 cards in your account, all the 100 IMEI numbers with name will be listed in these option. Finally you have arrow-like symbol. When you press that symbol, it will be redirect to Google Map and gives you how far from the card to your mobile phone. In the Google Map itself, these option used to check the distance from you to the card easily. Suppose if there are 2 kids or 3 kids in a family means, the second kid ID card can be added by pressing the 3 lines on the top left. In that select add device option. In these you can enter the second kid IMEI number or you can scan the IMEI number and press the next button. In your same account the second kid ID card will be added. Likewise you multiple ID cards can be added in the same account. And suppose if there are 5 members in a family, all the 5 family members can download the 123smartid app and share the same username and password to other family members, so that the same kid can be tracked by all the 5 family members. Our 123smartid card device works in 2G network only. We can use the current SIM, what we use in our mobile phone. The same can be inserted in that ID card also. It consumes only maximum 100 MB data per month. Except Jio we can use any network because Jio starts from 4G only. We can use Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL. Our 123smartid card is not only used for tracking the kids. You can track the employees, field executives, women's, college students and even you can track your bike, car, bus also. And you can also give this card to old age people, who does not know how to use mobile phone, can give this card. So in case of any emergency they can press with the SOS button to connect with their sons, daughter easily. so the usage of the card is multiple. Depends upon the usage, you can use our 123 Smart ID card. For more details, contact P. Vijay Kumar Rangareddy Franchise Partner. Mobile number 9160042889. Visit our website www.123smartid.in.